all decoupage fans. We're very excited today because we have something new, something beautiful to show you. Our new gilded decoupage papers in delicate colors. These beautiful and delicate decoupage papers from Gold Touch series are full of subtle, dusty colors with a gentle breeze of gold. It makes them light and airy. Your project will get an incredible glow and elegance with these papers. The gold color we chose for them is very discreet and romantic, far from heavy golden shades. Thanks to new ABstudio papers, your every project will be really unique and extraordinary. For varnishing surfaces, where the paper is glued, you can use any type of varnish: glossy acrylic, matte acrylic, semi-gloss, and also such on the basis of paint thinner. High glossy varnish will beautifully highlight the gilding, and matte or satin varnish will make this gold shade look more vintage. No matte varnish can eliminate the shine of the gilding, which is very delicate and elegant. The very important thing is that this gold can't be wiped out and it doesn't crumble. You can varnish it at will, with no fear that something goes wrong. It's good to remember that the white paint under the paper will definitely highlight its delicate color and the gilding too. Any other colors of paint will make the paper's colors less visible. ABstudio gilded papers can be stained with mists. This will color only the paper. The gold will remain golden. You should also remember that when you use sandpaper on gilded paper, when it's not varnished, you can destroy the pattern if you do it improperly. ABstudio decoupage papers have got fiber which are of different thickness and which are placed irregularly on the paper surface. The color on the paper is more delicate and less saturated than on the photo. The paper's colors are more in powder shades, not intense ones. We hope that you will like this breadth of elegance. Visit our online shop where you can order our products in retail and in wholesale. Check out our other products and our beautiful designs.